Let's see how to erase audio from video. Open the gallery app, open your video. So here we can hear the video audio. Let's see how to remove audio from this video. Just tap on this Galaxy AI and it may take some moments to analyze your video sound. Enable auto option, and here you have to select -100%, then tap on save copy. Once it's successfully saved, as you can see, I've successfully removed these video sound. And if you want to remove only video noise or audio noise, then again just open the video, tap on Galaxy AI icon and enable auto. Now to remove noise from your audio, you can select -90 to -93 or 5 something. Don't select -100. If you select -100, your video audio will be completely removed. So I'm selecting here -95, save copy. And now if I open the video, as you can see, this video noise successfully removed. That's it.